But I know I can do like Oh, welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets, and today we're going to be grilling a sirloin steak. Just kidding. April Fools. You probably saw the title of this video, and I want to do something different, especially for April Fools, because like pranks and all that. So today we are going to try the Blindfolded Cake decorating challenge. Now I don't have anyone else with me, so I'm going to do this all by myself, but I have a goal for what this cake is going to look like. So over here I have mini cakes. One, because I don't want to make a huge cake right now. And two, if I make like an ugly cake, then I won't feel so bad. So we're going to take mini cakes, fill them with pink buttercream frosting, crumb coat, cover in yellow fondant, and then a nice candy drizzle over the top. Now this is just my hope for this cake. I don't think it's going to turn out exactly right, but let's get started. First things first, blindfold. Now these are like the colors of the Celebrity Sweets logo. That's what I went for. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves too. Kind of forgot where everything was. Cake. Now, let's see. I don't know how much. More? Oh shoot. There. Another? Okay. How many layers do we have? Okay, should I keep going? Sure. It's like a little skyscraper. Ham. Tastes good. I think this now might be 4. Shoot. Okay, well, keep it there. Is it falling? Oh no. Just frost. Frost, frost. It fell! Come back. Too many layers. Okay. Oh, this is a mess. Oh, what a mess. Okay, I was given lollipop sticks to maybe help this cake. Oh, gee. The one's gone. Oh, shoot. So I got lollipop sticks in there. Iced it. Crumb coat. Don't understand. Oh no, is it falling? Oh my gosh. What is this? I'm just... Where's my spatula? Okay. I don't know how much frosting is on this cake right now, but I'm gonna hope that we have some sort of crumb coat, and we're gonna put it in the fridge now. And then I'm gonna roll out the fondant. Okay, cake's in the refrigerator. Fondant time. Okay, not that. Move this. Oh wait. Nope, not that either. Where's the powder? Oh, right here. Okay. I don't think this is not gonna turn out good. I already know. I just hope my cake stands straight up. I don't think I've gotten anywhere with this. Pizza! Oh, jeez. Gosh. My whole body feels like a mess. Like, I just feel like I have frosting in places where frosting shouldn't be, and just covered in it out here a little bit. With my hands. Kind of like, make sure. Don't think any of it fell. That's good. Okay, fondant. It's so thick. Trim away the excess. What is all this? Ugh. Wow, okay. What was the last? There's one. Oh. Time for the drizzle. This one. You know, like all those Instagram videos you see. How much did I use? How much is left? Do I count this as done? Are we done? Did I do everything I wanted? This is gonna be so ugly. I can just tell. Unmask. Do I want to look down? Oh. Look at my shirt! How did it get up here? I think I rolled up my... I gotta like take a bath. What the... Cake. It's like... it's like a dome. Look at that. It's the ugliest thing I've ever made. If you gave this to anyone, they would cry. Okay, well, I'm gonna clean up all this. And we'll be right back. I think, oh shoot. I forgot my shirt. Have I ever told you how much I hate powdered sugar? And here we have it. I'm gonna call it a volcano because that's what it looks like. That's what I was going for, you guys know. A volcano, yellow and pink volcano. Does this fancy cake plate that I put it on make it look better? Because it's all about presentation, you know. This is horrible. Let me know what you guys would rate this cake in the comments below. Maybe between like 1 and 10. You can go like farther that way too, like negative 1,000. And if you guys have any other requests or challenge ideas, leave them in the comments below, along with any other ideas for any celebrity sweets. If you happen, oh shoot, I was gonna say if you happen to make this, don't make this. But if you want to check me out on Instagram or Twitter, the handles are right here. Also, don't forget to share this video. This outro is horrible. Because I say don't forget to share this video with someone, with anything you saw in this video. So if you know someone who likes yellow and pink volcanoes, please share this video with them. Until next time, make it sweet and oh shoot. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. Happy April Fools! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking this cute little donut right here. If you're looking for more content, up here's my latest video where we made some Dumbo-inspired treats. And down here's what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Thursday. Wow, I'm so good. I could do that blindfolded.